Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use different modes of drawing in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, so let's open this document. Alright. So over here are different modes of drawing. So you can either draw inside, draw behind, or you can use the default setting, which is draw normal. So guys, I can explain how each of them works and what they are, but I think it'll be better if I showed you in action. So right now we are using draw normal. So let's see what happens if I go to rectangle tool, or let's use rectangle tool. Okay. Alright guys, so let's use the rounded rectangle tool and create an object over here. So let's give it a, for example, red fill so you can see it more clearly. So this is what normal drawing does. So as you can see, it is the bear is behind this object that I just draw. So this is the normal mode. So let's see what happens when we use other modes. So let's delete this one and let's select draw behind like this, and again click on rectangle tool and draw a shape. So what do you see? Now this object goes behind the bear. So this is what draw behind does. So let's delete this one too. Now this mode, draw inside, is very similar to layer mask if you're familiar with Photoshop. Okay, now what remains is the option, the mode draw inside. So let's see what draw inside does. So let's create a rectangle like this one, and now as you can see, you can change the mode to draw inside. So now let's see that I'm going to use the rectangle tool and see what happens when I do this. So let's give it a fill like red. So did you see what happened over here? It disregards everything that is outside of the main object and changes what is inside. So again, let's do this one more time, for example with polygon tool. So let's draw a polygon like this. So did you see what happened? It disregards everything that is outside of the main object and only adds what is inside. So let's do this again with ellipse. So again, disregarding everything that is outside and adding everything that is in the main object area. So you can create some beautiful artworks with this draw inside mode. We will talk about this much more in the next lessons, but I think this is enough for an introduction. Okay guys, so we are done with this lesson. Hope you learned something valuable today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have fun.